See these birds just chilling? I'm like literally standing right in front of them, just sitting there. Look at that. Just sitting there. Hey guys, what you doing? You guys just chilling? Well, hopefully you move when someone drives in the driveway, my friend. So I don't want you to get dead. Okay? It's cool. Just about to go inside, and these two little friends just saw them just sitting here, just chilling. So I thought I'd come and say hello. This is kind of awesome. Like, I even walked close to them. You guys are just chilling. Hey, what you doing? This is pleasant. Wonder if I walked closer to them, if they would fly away. I really wanted to stare at them, but I want to get closer. You're gonna have to move out of the way, guys. Move, bird. Oh, okay. I guess you knew it wasn't coming for you, but you okay? I don't want you to get run over, so you better move out of the middle of the road. Move out of the road. Oh, you're just gonna sit back down? You guys should move out of the road. Yeah, move. Go. 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 Yeah, go. There you go. There you go. The truck scared him. That was good. That was a good nature video.